Hi Rakesh, we are from Hospitality Tip of the Day. Could you spare 90 seconds for a quick rapid fire round with us today?
Absolutely, it will be a pleasure.
Wonderful. So let's get going. What's your number one hospitality tip that every hotelier must follow?
We are in a people's business. So my advice would be you take care of the people and they will take care of the business.
What is one daily habit you practice as a GM that instantly upgrades guest experiences?
Seeing them off from the coffee shop in the morning after breakfast and in the evening receiving them back standing in the lobby.
In your opinion, what separates a good hotel stay from an unforgettable hotel experience?
The devil is in the details. So when the associates and the team goes into details, customizing customers' experiences, that's what elevates the customer stay.
Jaipur is a heritage destination. How do you ensure Jaipur Marriott delivers a sense of place while staying premium and modern at the same time?
So the product and the offering is rustic, but the experience is technology driven. So the mix is, I think, just perfect.
How do you create a culture where associates genuinely care, not just perform their duties?
You make them feel like owners of their areas. That's when they go the extra mile to give customers memorable experiences.
In today's world of online reviews, what's your advice to hoteliers on managing feedback professionally?
Well, as they say, honesty is the best policy. So if you have gone wrong, you better own up, be as honest and upfront as possible. Customers appreciate and they really relate to that.
What is one leadership lesson you learned from a difficult situation in your career?
Never try and overpromise. Commit what you can deliver. In fact, if you are able to underpromise and overdeliver, nothing better than that.
How do you balance automation and technology without losing the human touch in hospitality?
So like I said, we are in a people's business. So beyond a threshold, technology has its own limitations. So if you get that balance right, I think you are doing the job well.
What's your take on personalization?
Guest experience today are all about personalization. If we don't customize the experience to their liking, their needs and their requirements, I don't think we are doing a fair job.
One thing that defines a great Marriott associate.
A Marriott associate will go above and beyond the call of duty to make sure the customer is comfortable and they have a memorable experience.
Rakesh, what's your favorite part of being a general manager?
Well, the biggest perk of our business is the friends that we make. So the customers that we serve, if we make friends out of them, I think that's the biggest perk of the job.
One thing you notice instantly when you enter a hotel.
Well, you got to look out for the fragrance, the music and the lighting.
One leadership quote or thought that you truly believe in.
Respect is earned, it is not demanded. If you are a true leader, you will earn respect from your people.
Thank you so much. That was a very productive 90 seconds for us.
Thank you. Pleasure's all mine.